We are the only people here in this car park. So your own Christmas teddy bear? Going through the Christmas field. Hey, we got the same scarf! Got the Christmas tree. That was nice. No people, it's just us, like private Christmas tree picking. Yeah.
You can't get this kid.
Oh look! There is stuff in the Thunderbird box, it's all come out the bottom. I just wanted to show the Thunderbird box because I thought it was like retro and old and cool and everything's just falling out the bottom of it. Well, here is the Thunderbirds box.